So here I am giving the credentials. So first of all, I want to clear the screen. Scroll on. Now the file is created. So here, now we enter into classes. So here we have several classes are there. What are the classes? Observe this one. We have select. Select, it is a DQL statement, and also we call it as a what class? CLAUS. Okay. Select is one of the class which is used to retrieve the data from the tables. Okay. Already we know that how we can use that. And next, from class. From class also we know that. Instead of if you want to retrieve from which table, okay, then we can use the from class. Next, we can use the where class. It is a condition here. Observe this one. Where class, it is used to provide the condition, okay, and it is used to filter the data from group records, and it won't allow group functions and alias names. Already you know that alias names. So alias names means we are going to specify a different name for our exact column name, okay, that is a alias name. And also it is not allow the grouped functions. Group functions means we have a summation, some average, and minimum and maximum count. These are all will be called it as a group functions. That group functions we cannot apply from where class. Will be discussed one by one. Here, first I want to set the environment, set pages, lines, select store from EMP. Yes, it is working fine. Okay. Now we want to use the where class. We want to use the where class. So here, select star from EMP. How many records we are retrieving? 14 records are there. These are the group records, right? In these group records, I want to retrieve a particular record. It is one of the conditions which is used to retrieve the data from the group records. Filter the data from group records, right? Here, how we can do it? Suppose, say example, select star from EMP where DPT number equal to 10. What is that? It is retrieved only 10th department data. It is retrieved only 10th department data. So actually here, if you apply this one, we have group records. In that group records, I am going to filter and I am getting only a specific records as per our condition, right? Then next, what are the rules is there here? It is used to filter the data. Okay, fine. It won't allow group functions and alias names. It won't allow group functions and alias names. Very simple example. First, we are going to apply the alias names, whether it is accepted or not. Okay. Then alias names we can possible to apply columns as well as tables also. Columns as well as tables. I will show you one simple example for alias names. And here select, okay, this is the actual column EMP number. My alias name is E number. This is the alias name, okay, and E name, employee name. This is my alias name, and job designation. Just I am going to specify this one. Next, salary. Okay, salary. And here we can specify salary. Then here we should specify the comma for every column. Right? Now I can give the. So it is a simple example for alias names of our columns. Okay. Let me check it. Here we retrieve the 14 records with our alias names. With our alias names. System does not show us the actual column names. The actual column names is different, but alias names is different. Alias names only for our retrieval purpose. It does not reflected in our database. It does not updated in our database. Next, here observe this one. Now I want to apply alias name on table. Here I applied columns. I want to apply on tables. Then here the same query, I can apply the alias name for table. Let it be check it. Have we get any difference? No, we don't get any difference. Just I am applying the alias names. In real life, in real time, each and every component we must use this alias names. The alias names will be used in tables and as well as columns. So in real life, how we can go to use this one? Suppose, okay, let it be not a problem. If we are using only one table, we can specify the directly table column names. Suppose if you use the multiple tables, we need to specify the column name, table alias name dot column alias name. Okay, that will be discussed in joins. Okay, here now what is the rule is we want to it does not allow the alias names from where class. Then here observe this one. I can apply where class. Okay, where class. Here where emp number. So where emp number it is working, or where dept number it is working, because of dept number is also there. Then here observe this one. I am going to retrieve dept number also. dept number as a d number. Now I can specify where dept number equal to 10. Here I didn't use any alias name, directly I am using column name. Let it be check it whether it is working or not. Yes, it is working properly. We don't get any error. Now instead of that column name, I can use the alias name. Observe this one. Invalid identifier. System does not identify where this D number is located into the employee table. In employee table, we have a DEPT number. We don't have the D number. If in case the D number is there, then it is working. But the D number is, what is this here? D number, alias name. That is the reason we never ever use the alias names from where class. Please keep in our mind. If you use the alias names from where class, automatically you can get that error. Invalid identifier. So it is not identified in the table. That is the reason. Suppose I have a question. Can we possible to maintain the alias name like as the same name of our column name? Yes. Definitely we can use it. We don't get any problem. We don't get any problem. So we have a actual column is EMP number, and also we can use alias name is also EMP number. But here what is the means? If you want to change the column name, then we can go for the alias name. If you want to retrieve the same name, we no need to give the alias name. Okay. Here I am giving one is alias name, another one is alias names. One is a direct name, remaining one is alias names. What happened? You don't get any error. Absolutely it is working. Right? So these are the cases how we can use it. But we never use the alias names from where class. We never use the alias names from where class. And what is one more condition? We cannot allow group functions. Group functions are a minimum, maximum, and count, summation, okay, average. That all are the, we call it as a group functions. Let us say here select star from EMP where, okay, where salary equal to, where salary equal to sum of salary, where salary equal to sum of salary, sum of salary, that is a condition actually. Group function is not allowed here. Any group function, you can use any group function from where class system does not allow. Okay, that are the major two rules we are remember when we are working with the where class. All of you clear? Yeah. Next, we can go for a group by class. We can go for group by class. What is this? Observe this one. It is a condition, right? Where class it is a condition, but group by class it is not a condition. Here it is used to make the data into group format from the database. It is used to make the data into group format from the database. From the database. It is not possible to provide the group functions along with normal columns in a select statement without using group class. Without using group by class. Then here we want to understand a simple story, then we can easily understand. So let me check it. Select suppose I am writing this way. Select star from EMP group by DEPT number. Group by DEPT number. Now check it whether it is executed or not. It is not executed because of we have 8 columns. The system does not possible to treat as a 8 columns in one group. Okay. Whenever you can specify the group by, the respected column will be specified into the select class. Which is the column we specify the group by class? DEPT number. Okay, that will be keep into the now let us say check it. The entire data will be retrieved into 3 records. Means only 3 select statement execution will be getting the data. Suppose say example here. When exactly we want to use? Okay. Now I want to write it. Suppose EMP number comma DEPT number. System is going to retrieve the data in the both of these group format, EMP number, DEPT number, that both as a group and retrieve from the data from EMP group by EMP number comma DEPT number. Now you tell me how many records we are getting. System is going to retrieve the data in the form of group is EMP number comma DEPT number. Every employee is a unique one, right? Yes. That is the reason. Employee number, DEPT number. Any one of the record is matched to the another record? No. What is the reason? Suppose I am writing one more condition. Manager employee number many managers are there? Only one? These are the managers, right? 769874. This person don't have the manager. Okay? So here, total how many records? 14 records. Suppose. Now I am going to write one more condition. Employee number, comma, job. Now, combination of two columns. Combination of two columns it treat as a group. Every employee has a unique job, right? Different job. Observe this one. This employee is different. So every employee does not match to the same. Okay, does not match to the same. So now we can check it. One more condition. Suppose here my example, my requirement is I want to count how many employees are working under the 10th department. So here observe this one. I want to count how many employees are working under 10th department. So here observe this one. We have a one condition. One command is the select count of. First let it be. Here we want to understand what is count, which is used to count the record. Count of star from EMP. There are 14 records are there. Now let it be DEPT number, count of star. Department wise, how many employers are there? Count of star from EMP, group by DEPT number. Group by DEPT number. It is clearly shows how many employees. Suppose I want to count, I want to summation of department wise salary. We have a one more function that select DEPT number, comma, sum of salary from EMP, group by DEPT number. Department wise total salary. Department wise total salary. Right? Now I want to find out department wise how many jobs are there. Here department wise employees we can use the count of star. Okay? And the department wise salary we can use the sum of salary. Now I want to find out department wise how many jobs are there. So in this point of time, first of all we want to understand what is the difference between count of star and count of column. Count of star and count of column. We have two functions is there. Already you are clear on this one. Select count of star from EMP. Right? And also we have one more function is select count of column, means EMP number, which how much will be expected here? 14 only. But the both syntax is going to show us same result. Why the people is introduced both? But here we have a difference. Count of star means is going to count the each and every column and each and every record. But count of column does not count the null data. Can you tell me which is the column having the null in our employee table? Yeah, manager, and only manager is having the null. Commissioner is also not having the null. right? Let it be now. I will show you. Select star from EMP. What are the columns are having the null? Manager is having the null. Commission is also having the null. Now let it be check it. Select count of star. It count the all records. Count of manager, comma, count of commission from EMP. Observe this one. Count of star will be count the all records from all columns, but count of column only means data columns. It does not count the null. That is the difference. It does not count the null. Now my requirement is I want to count how many jobs are there under the each and every department. Then select the EPT number, count of. It's a very important question, so please keep in our mind. From EMP, group by the EPT. How many jobs? In 10:30, 6 jobs. In 20th, 5 jobs, and 10, 3 jobs. Clear? All of you. So in this point of time, we can suppose here I don't want to apply the group function. What happened? I don't want to apply the group function. It's not a single group function. Suppose here now it's working or not? 14 jobs is there. It will be going to count each and every. Then here observe this one. Count of job. Is there any null? No. 14s are counted. Then automatically it will be shows. Right? All of you clear on that? So in this scenario we are using the group by class. Group by class. So next we want to go for having class. What is this having class? How it is work? Okay. Observe this one. It is used to provide the condition. So how many classes we completed now? No. How many classes? Select and from and where and group by. Right? We completed 4 classes. Next, in that 4 classes, which is the class work like condition? Where class. Now I have a question. Can we possible to use the group by class after where class? Can we possible to use the apply the group by class in where class? From where class? After where class? No? Sure? Here observe this one. I have a query. Select, okay, then employee number, comma, count of job, count of job wise I want to count sum of salary. Job, sum of salary. Job wise I want to find out the total salary, sum of salary from EMP. Group by job. Is it working or not? Is it working or not? Definitely working. Why you are thinking about this query? In clerk, the total salary is 4,150 and the salesman 5,600. Job wise we find out the total salary, right? Now observe this one. Now observe this one. Okay. Here I added the EPT number. DEPT number. Now let us say check it. How many records we are getting? Observe this one. In 10th department, president, one job, 5,000. Again clerk, 1,300. Okay, and again manager, 2,450. 2,450. And 20th department, managers salary 2,975. And clerk salaries 1,900. Maybe one or more people are working here. Right or not? Okay. That. Now observe this one. Here in this point of time, group by DEPT number and job. Now I remove this one. Let me check it here, where DEPT number equal to 10. Working or not? Observe this one. Select the job sum of salary from EMP and checking in where? Only 10th department. Only 10th department and retrieved by the group by job. Absolutely working, right? Then. Got it or not? So clerks 1,300 and president salary 5,000, managers 2,450. 10th department. Suppose I specify 20th department. 20th department. Observe this one. In 20th department also again 3 jobs is there. Clerk 1,900, manager 2,975 and analyst 6,000. Suppose I want to know how many employers are there. Under the clerk, how many employers are there? What is the total salary? How many clerks are there? 2 members. Their total salary is 1,900. And managers, only 1. Analyst, 2 members. Clear on that? It's an important question. Interview point of they are asking this question. Interview point of they are asking question only on EMP table. They don't want to go for another table. Okay. Then suppose say example. I want to use 30th department. Salesman, how many members? 4 members. Their total salary 5,600. And clerk 950. Only 1 person. And manager only 1 person. Interview point they are asking the question. I want to see how many employers are working in the 10th department and what is their total salary, job wise. Then we can write this here. And I have a question. Can we write the where class after group class? I want to write a where class after group by class. Here, this is the where class, right? This where class, I want to write it after group by class. Just I am asking a cross question. Okay, let it be check it whether it is working or not. It is not a proper way because of always the SQL queries follow the means sequence. What is that? First select, next from, next where, next group by, next we can go for the having. Here already where class is a condition, and also I want to apply one more condition is having class. Okay, then here having class is also one more condition. Let us say how we can go to work with that. Here this is the condition. So while applying this condition, how many records we are getting? 3 records, right? Now I want to see which group does not exceed the more than 3000. Here while applying that query, we are getting 3 records. Again these 3 records I want to apply one more condition. I want to retrieve only who are does not exceed the 3000 rupees. Which group does not exceed the 3000 rupees? How many groups we are getting? 3 groups, right? Salesman group, clerk group and manager group. In these 3 records, I want to see only which group does not exceed the more than 3000 rupees. That here. Having, and here we can apply the condition. How we can apply the condition? More than the salary, the sum of salary, actually the sum of salary, it is a group function, does not apply here. Then now I am going to checking with salary, or yeah, let it be, we are going to checking here, then less than less than 3000. Okay. What is that? Group by job. Oh, sorry. Having, yeah, okay, fine. Here I want to find out the count of employee number less than 2. In that group, so I have a condition is that respected condition. Earlier we are getting 3 records. My requirement is I want to find out which group having less than 2 members. So here observe this one. Less than 2 members. Up to this one it is clear, right? Up to this one we are getting 3 records. In that 3 records again I want to apply the condition. Suppose or else I want to retrieve who are more than 1. How many records we are getting? Only 1 record. Only one group is having the 4 employees, right? So in this scenario we are applying the having class. So here once we apply the where class, automatically the condition is applied and filter the data. Again also we are not satisfied with that data, then what we do? We can apply the having class. We can apply where class and we can apply group by class. We can retrieve the data. In that data also I want to apply one more condition, then we can go for having class. So having class always we are used from group by class. Without using group by class we can't possibly use the having class. Without using group by class we can't possibly use the having class. Having is a condition or class? Condition. Having is a condition. Clear? All of you. So what is the sequence? Select from where, group by array, right? Next, one more class, order by class. Order by class. Order by means here I want to retrieve the data in order format. Okay, this order means here, say example, select star from EMP, right? So now I am going to write order format, select star from EMP, order by employee number. Order by employee number. Observe this one. Just observe these two results. Is there any changes or not? Definitely changes is occurred. Here, what is the first number? 783. Here, 7369. Next. So descending to ascending. Descending to ascending. Suppose I want to retrieve ascending to descending. Upper to lower. Then here, select star from EMP, order by EMP number, ascending na, yes, order by EMP number, ascending order. So ascending means yeah, starting low to high. Then next we can go for descending. EMP order by EMP number, descending. Upper to lower. Upper to lower. So here, if you specify the descending, then only system is going to retrieve the data upper to lower. Suppose you cannot specify the any descending or ascending, system defaultly retrieve the data ascending. Only, what is that?
Ascending, descending, EAC.
Syntax.
Yeah, syntax is this one only. Descending. DESC. Ascending ASC. The first 3 or 4 characters. The next here I have one more question. Can be possible to retrieve the data order by multiple columns? I want to retrieve order by multiple columns, EMP number and E name. Let it be checked. Select star from EMP, order by EMP number comma E name. Observe this one. We are getting the result. Observe carefully. The first column is applicable for the order by. The second column does not applicable for order by. The second column is E name. If in case E name is order should follow, then the first one is A. Right? Yeah. Observe this. Suppose EMP order by E name. Observe this one. Adams, Allen, Blake, Clark, right? So here we can apply more than one column from order by class, but system always consider first column. The remaining does not consider, but it is executed. It is not a condition. No, it does not change, right? Here, observe this one. EMP here, observe this one. Order by E name, right? EMP number. Okay, and here then next job, whatever it may be. But here observe this one. Only E name is applicable for the order. The remaining not applicable. So if it is applicable, which is the value is coming first? The lowest value, 7369. We can write it number of columns, but system always consider the first column. Right? All of it clear? Next, now I am going to develop a simple query which is using all classes. Okay. There. Select, suppose say example EMP number, E name, comma job, and salary from EMP where the EPT number equal to 30, where the EPT number equal to 30, and group by EMP number, E name, job, salary, and having job equal to clerk, having job equal to clerk only, and order by EMP number. Interview point of they are asking the question. Can you write the query while using all classes? You can write it this way. How many? In DPT number 30, we have only clerk is 950. Only one person. Suppose I am using, so I think salesman we have 4, right? Observation order by employee number. Clear? That. So in this way we are using these all classes. Then the last class, it is an individual class. Individual class, it is used to restrict the duplicate records in our table. But in real life we never use this distinct class. Just we want to know what is the use of this one. It is used to find out the means it is avoid the duplicate records. Say example, observe this one. Select DEPT number from EMP. How many DEPT numbers? 14 departments or 3 departments? 3 departments. But system is showing 14. I want to find out unique records. Then here select distinct DEPT number from EMP. Right? Now it is clear. We have only 3 departments. The 3 departments are repeated to the every employee. The next here I want to find out the jobs. Suppose select job from EMP. Again 14. But we have 14 jobs. We have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jobs already. Okay. Then select distinct job from EMP. 5 jobs. Suppose select manager from EMP. How many managers? Observe carefully. Some manager numbers are repeated, right? And here we don't have the 14 managers, right? Even the first column is dummy, null. Null, is there any manager? No one is there, right? Then distinct manager from EMP. We have only 7 managers are there. So in this point of time we can use the distinct class. But we never use this distinct class in our real-time component. I will tell you why we don't want to use that one also. Okay? Clear all of you? In this all classes. Okay? Then good.